You're thinking about getting a Koho card, right? You've probably heard the buzzwords secured credit card and credit building thrown around. But is Koho actually a secured credit card? And more importantly, is it secure for your money? Let's dive in. First off, what even is a secured credit card? It's essentially a credit card that requires you to put down a security deposit. This deposit becomes your credit limit. It's like training wheels for your credit score. It's great for people with bad or no credit history. So, is Koho a secured credit card? Well, kind of. It offers a credit building feature where you can set aside funds as a secured line of credit. But here's the twist, you don't necessarily need to do this. You can use Koho as a prepaid card without building credit. It's like a hybrid. Now, let's talk security. Is your money safe with Koho? Koho is regulated by financial authorities, which means your money is protected up to a certain amount. Plus, they have fraud protection measures in place. But remember, no financial system is completely immune to fraud. You need to do your part too. Set strong passwords, monitor your transactions, and report any suspicious activity immediately. But is Koho right for you? That depends. If you're looking to build credit, it's a decent option. But if you just want a prepaid card for spending control, there are other options out there. Consider your financial goals. Do you need a credit card to make purchases, or are you trying to rebuild your credit? Let's talk about the pros and cons. Koho offers cash back, interest on your balance, and early direct deposit access. That's pretty sweet. But the credit building feature comes with a monthly fee. And while it's generally safe, no financial product is without risk. So, to sum it up, Koho is more of a flexible financial tool than a strict secured credit card. It offers both prepaid and credit building features. Security is decent, but it's essential to practice good financial habits. The decision to use Koho depends on your individual needs and financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.